Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses north central Texas, parts of Oklahoma, and south central Kansas. Cities in today's enhanced include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Wichita Falls, Texas, Lawton, Oklahoma, and Edmond, Oklahoma. And there are 3 slight risk areas today. One slight today covers parts of Texas, parts of Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, and west central Missouri. A second slight today covers southeastern Indiana, north central Kentucky, southern Ohio, and west central West Virginia. The third slight today covers south central Pennsylvania, the Panhandle of West Virginia, north central Virginia, Washington, D.C., parts of Maryland, most of Delaware, and southwest New Jersey. Cities in today's slights include Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Cincinnati, Ohio. Areas in the dark green are in a marginal risk today, and my area is just on the edge of the marginal. Cities in today's marginal include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Dallas, Texas, Columbus, Ohio, Fort Worth, Texas, and Arlington, Texas. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have a 5% chance of tornadoes today covering north central Texas, parts of Oklahoma, and parts of Kansas. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Abilene, Texas, and Norman, Oklahoma. And there are two areas where there are 2% chance of tornadoes today. The dark green is the 2% tornado risk areas. Cities in the 2% tornado risk areas today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Kansas City, Missouri, Arlington, Texas, and Cincinnati, Ohio. If you look at the black dashed areas, encompass most of the tornado risk areas today. The black dashed areas are where we have the highest potential to see tornadoes of EF1 rating or stronger, so the black dash is the highest potential for EF1 or higher tornadoes today. Could see some EF2s in there too, it's possible. And some EF0, so I would say that the potential is there for EF0 to EF2s today for tornadoes. But again, the black dashed areas are the highest potential for EF1 or higher, okay? Cities in the black dashed areas today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. And now for the wind threat today, there is a 30% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, covering north central Texas, parts of Oklahoma, and south central Kansas. Cities in the 30% wind risk area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Wichita Falls, Texas, Lawton, Oklahoma, and Edmond, Oklahoma. There are 3 areas where we have a 15% wind risk today. There are 3 areas where we have 15% wind risk areas today. One covering parts of Texas, parts of Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, and west central Missouri. A second 15% today covers southeastern Indiana, north central Kentucky, southern Ohio, and west central West Virginia. The third 15% wind risk today covers the Panhandle, West Virginia, north central Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, most of Delaware, southwest New Jersey, and south central Pennsylvania. The 15% wind risk areas today include Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Cincinnati, Ohio. Areas in the brown are in a 5% wind risk area today. Alright, cities in the 5% wind risk area today include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Dallas, Texas, Columbus, Ohio, Fort Worth, Texas, and Arlington, Texas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is a level 1 of 3 of the wind intensity index, okay? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 70, The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or stronger today from thunderstorms today. So the black dash highlights the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms today. Alright? I'm not saying it can't happen elsewhere. It's just the highest potential for the hurricane force thunderstorm wind gusts will be in the black dashed area today. Alright? Other areas outside the black dashed area, but still in a wind risk, still could see damaging winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour. And I think the highest potential for the hurricane force thunderstorm gusts will be in the black dashed. Okay, cities in the black dashed area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Abilene, Texas, and Norman, Oklahoma. And now to the hail threat, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering parts of north central Texas, parts of Oklahoma, and south central Kansas. This is the highest potential. This is the 30% hail risk in the red. Okay, 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. Cities in the 30% hail risk area today include Wichita, Kansas, Wichita Falls, Texas, Lawton, Oklahoma, Enid, Oklahoma, and Altus, Oklahoma. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering parts of Texas, parts of Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, and west central Missouri. The 15% hail risk area today includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Overland Park, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas. There are two brown areas today. The brown areas are where we have a 5% hail risk area today. Cities in the 5% hail risk areas today include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Dallas, Texas, Columbus, Ohio, Fort Worth, Texas, and Baltimore, Maryland. Now, if you look at the black dashed area is a level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail reaching or exceeding 2 inches in diameter. Okay? The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail reaching or exceeding 2 inches in diameter today within the black dashed. Okay? I'm not saying it can't happen elsewhere. I'm not saying it can't happen outside the black dashed area still in a hail risk. Alright? It's just the highest potential for the 2-inch hail or larger in the black dashed area. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area still in a hail risk could see hail of 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter today. Alright? Cities in the black dash today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, and Overland Park, Kansas. So, in summary, severe thunderstorms with damaging wind gusts, large hail, and a few tornadoes are likely across the southern and central plains this afternoon and evening. Strong to severe storms are also possible from parts of the Ohio Valley, central Appalachians, and mid-Atlantic. So, anyway, that is your Day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today, no matter what risk you're in. No matter whether you're in the enhanced, slight, or marginal, still stay safe today. Again, stay safe today, no matter what risk you're in, and I'll have my Day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Meanwhile, have we been notified for severe weather today? Whether it be your TV, radio, or phone, have we been notified for today? And I'll have my Day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.